Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about weekly prediction. Week commence from 31st of May 2021 to 6th of June 2021. You know very well my all prediction are based on your ascendant sign. Nothing to do with your moon sign or zodiac sign. Just keep your ascendant sign in your mind and listen my video. You will definitely get some information related to your upcoming week, and you make your life easy and better according to dynamics position. So let's talk about Libra Ascendants. Libra Ascendants in this week from 31st of May to 6th of June 2021. You need to be careful on Monday and Tuesday. Your health will be matter of concern. Some stomach related trouble, knees related trouble, legs related trouble will irritate you. You are not feeling comfortable. Relationship with your spouse will be under shadow. You are trying to perform your best, but your relationship is not in good mood. You can say Monday and Tuesday, both days are a struggling days for you in the terms of your health, in the terms of your personal life, in the terms of your profession. If you are employee, yet then your seniors are not satisfied from your performance. You are trying to perform your best, but they are not happy the way you are doing things. So Libra, you be patient, wake up early morning, must start meditation. It will be a definitely helpful activity for you if you start some meditation. Now I'm going to talk about Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday and Thursday you will feel bit relaxed and better compared to Monday and Tuesday, but not very productive week for you, not very productive days for you. You're feeling very low and very down. Some work pressure will irritate you. Only Venus and Mercury saving grace in this week, but Mercury is retrograde. So this whole time will create a lot of panic situation. You are very confused and upset. And how can you make the relationship between your profession and your home? Because there's a lot of things will be complicated. So need to be careful. I'm telling you again and again, be patient, be relaxed. Don't be a part of any argument with spouse. You need to give respect to your spouse. Now I'm going to talk about Friday and Saturday. Bit relaxed and better days. There is no doubt compared to last 4 days. But overall, these 2 days, you will be mentally very sick. Sometime a lot of hard work, you will be a part of depression, you will be a part of any type of litigation, depression, or try to pay your bill and taxes on time. Otherwise you will be a part of any type of litigation. Friday and Saturday you are not feeling cool, you are out from your comfort zone. You are trying to perform your best, but you are failed to get achievements, but you fail to get result because your planets are not promising. This whole week, Libra, you need to be careful. Saturn is retrograde in your 4th house. Your homely atmosphere will be affected. Your home atmosphere will be affected. Relationship with your spouse or your mother will be affected, or your mother health will be affected. So must read Kali Chalisa, must read Goddess Kali Chalisa, must read this mantra Om Gan Ganapataye Namah, Om Gan Ganapataye Namah. The more you chant this mantra, the more you feel positivity. Overall, this whole week create a lot of panic situation, lot of up and down, which will create a lot of instability in your mind. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio Ascendants. Scorpio Ascendants this week, 21st of May to 6th of June 2021. One positive event will happen on 2nd of June. Your Ascendant Lord transit in your 9th house and leave 8th house and start transit in your Navam Bhav, which is a house of your beliefs, which is a house of your father, which is a house of your religious activities, your good fortune. So when Lagan Lord transit in your 9th house, then your good fortune started smile for you. And moon position on Monday and Tuesday, you will bless with a big amount of money. Some foreign transactions will make you happy. You may plan something, you may book your ticket for abroad, you may go somewhere. This whole time, Scorpio, you will be on another height of success. You will get a lot of opportunity for business related activities. Some finance will be ultimate. This time, you will enjoy very good health. You will enjoy very good tie-up with your siblings. Your father, your family will support you. This whole time brings a lot of happiness, peace of mind, success, achievements, fame, prosperity. Monday and Tuesday, very rewarding days for you. When your all pending work will click and you will enjoy a lot of comfort. Now I'm going to talk about Wednesday and Thursday. Again, you will be in a comfort zone. You may buy new car, you may buy new vehicle. This week will be a ultimate for you because Mars aspecting is on your 12th house, your 3rd house and your 4th house. But health of your mother will be matter of concern. Relationship with your mother will be matter of concern. But you will buy a new vehicle. You may invest your money in real estate. This whole time, Wednesday, Thursday, you will get some unexpected gains from stock market from your old investment. This whole time brings a lot of happiness, peace of mind, success. Good fortune is in your favor and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Some unexpected monetary gains will make you happy. Now I'm going to talk about Friday and Saturday. You will spend wonderful time with your siblings. You will spend wonderful time with your brothers, sisters, friends, near and dear. Just need to perform your best and put your energy in a positive way and keep calm in your all relationship. Don't show your ego or attitude in the relationship. Overall, this whole time brings a lot of happiness, peace of mind, success, achievement, and you will be feeling much relaxed and better compared to last few weeks. Must read Sita Ram Cha Hanumate Nama, Sita Ram Cha Hanumate Nama, and must wake up early morning and must go for some yoga and meditation. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius Ascendant. Sagittarius Ascendant 31st of May to 6th of June 2021. Monday and Tuesday you will be a part of any problem. Health of your spouse will be matter of concern. Health of your mother will be matter of concern. Monday and Tuesday you are not feeling comfortable. You are feeling very low energy. You are trying to perform your best, but your health will be matter of concern. And professional life, you are facing a lot of up and down. One side you will see a lot of opportunities which will knock you, and second side you are seeing there's no opportunity, only talking terms are there but nothing is executed. But Wednesday and Thursday you will bounce back. Your friend will support you, and your finance will be upgraded. You will get some money from far away place or foreign land. Some unexpected and unearned money will make you happy. Friday and Saturday you will spend wonderful time with your colleagues, with your friends, with your family, with your spouse, but you need to perform your best. Don't drink alcohol, don't eat non-veg, don't eat oily food. You need to take care of your health properly in this week. Sagittarius must visit Lord Vishnu temple and give some respect to your spouse. If you want to be a relationship, if you are a married person, then you should give respect to your spouse. Otherwise you are feeling very upset and very disturbed. Thank you for watching my video. I'm praying for your happy future. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.